All right, so here we are. It is June 9th. I just went through the supers. They look really good. And I want to say we are 2 weeks removed from making a 3-frame split on this hive. So we'll see how they're doing. And hopefully they've go easy, nice and slow. Hopefully they're focused on honey, which they're definitely building comb. So let's have a look. Come on, girls, come on. Sorry about my arm. But anyways, we've 2 weeks ago we made that split, and those girls, they really haven't skipped a beat. So I'm kind of excited to see. Oh yeah, we got room down here. So they're moving it up. There's my super seeder cups. Every week, ladies, every week. Should just leave them. But it's pretty much just a pollen frame right there with super seeder cups. I don't want to see any more. I've only had 2 hives that I've had to split twice because they're super trying to swarm. And that one of them you've seen the video for. That hive is, that one's off the charts compared to the rest. All right, girls, what are we looking at? I'm not looking at anything. All right, just some drone brood right on the top there, on the bottom, sorry. Bottom of the frame. That's it. Looks good. So I just hope that it worked. If I can, let's see here, if this is the first week in June, and they're not in swarm mode, they're gonna be in, oh, look at that. Look at that. So that's a brand new frame she came in and laid all over. This is what I was trying to show last week, but you see how they've literally, I don't know what that is, but I don't like it. She's literally, they drew it out and she laid right in it. So, beautiful frames. That's 2 weeks right there. It goes to show you what they get done in 2 weeks. Alright, gotta be careful. There's a lot of stuff hanging off the bottom here. I don't see my girl. And I'm seeing cups. That's a ladder. Just seeing some cups. That's it. So I know this is kind of the same thing every week, but if you come in every week, make sure that they're not building anything. Make sure they're going in the right direction. Here's my queen right there. Buried. Boom, there she is. The old faded green dot. So that's that. So I know my girl's right there. And be very careful. Slide that right in next to it. There we go. There we go. All right, so the queen's kind of in the center, frame 4. Go from here. Oh, look at that brood. Look at the brood. All right, I'm hoping for an uneventful rest of the hive. That's it. You can fly right through this. So maybe it worked. Other hive it didn't. This is another one of the brand new frames, and look at it. That's all brood right there. Capped right there, and then some young brood, and then right there, look at that. They're capping brood right there. Look at the pearly larva right there. My finger, you see it? Got a girl walking on it. So what I've done is comb rotation. Taken 3 frames out of here, so they've got 3 new frames. I don't have to worry. I'll probably make another split. I don't know actually at this point in time. Maybe the end of June. Kind of split it, go into winter, and then after that, looking at July. The July for me is a little bit of a dearth. And that's it. I don't need to. These girls are doing exactly what I need them to do. They're focused on honey right now. There's another new frame. Focused on honey. Look at that brood. Whew, nicely done, ladies. Nicely done. Look at that brood. They're not hardly even making cups. All right. We're almost done, girls. Trying to make this quick and painless. Maybe next week we'll haul some honey. Make some room for you. But this is, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that brood. 3 cups. That's all they've done. So it worked. This hive, it worked. 1-shot deal. 3 frame split. Send them on their way. The flow is cranking. Okay. Here's a new frame. So they got to work on one. I'm gonna leave it right on the end. So that's it. June 9th. Nothing exciting to see except for a beautiful queen and some beautiful brood. Thank you for watching.